now we're gonna take our eggs and just after smoothing it. Hey guys, it's Ella and welcome back to the Thanksgiving series on Aya and Ducky's Kitchen. And today we're back with another pie recipe, Ella's famous cranberry curd pie. You guys may have remembered my pie recipe from 2 Thanksgivings ago. Go check it out, it's linked up above. So let's get into the ingredients. Here we have 269 grams of cranberries, 1 cup of sugar, 3 eggs, 1 stick of butter. We're gonna be using the peel of this orange and some orange juice. So let's get it. All right guys, so now we're gonna start by taking our cranberries here and we're gonna put them into a saucepan. Next, we're gonna take our orange peels. You'll need just about 2 to 3. Put them in there, along with your sugar. And your orange juice. So then you put this on the stove over medium heat for about 10 minutes. So guys, we're gonna put this on the stove for about 10 minutes or just until the cranberries have popped. Alright guys, after 10 minutes, this is what it should look like. This is the consistency you're going for. So, let's go to the next step. I'm sorry guys, I forgot to tell you I didn't have time to bake a crust, so here we have my favorite pre-made pie crust. But anyway, let's set that aside and get to the cranberries. You're probably wondering, where are those? Alright guys, the next step is to take a sieve and just take our cranberry mixture and place the cranberry mix right into this mesh sieve. Alright guys, now we're just gonna press the cranberry mixture to get out all the liquid. Here we have our cranberry mixture in our cute little heart shape. Now we're gonna pour it into this bowl. Now we're gonna put the butter into the cranberry mixture and whisk it together. Whisk until the butter dissolves. Guys, as you can see, now the butter has dissolved into our cranberry mixture and it's looking very nice. So we're gonna set this aside and start with our eggs. Here we have 3 eggs. We're just gonna go ahead and crack them into this. Last one. Perfect. All right, guys, now we're gonna go ahead and whisk our eggs. Whisk it until it's fully combined, and then I'll show you guys the next step. All right, guys, now we're gonna take our eggs and just put it into the cranberry mixture. Then whisk it together. And then after this, we're gonna simmer it onto a saucepan for about 10 minutes, and then we're gonna bake it with our pie crust. Alright guys, then go ahead and pour your cranberry mixture into your saucepan and simmer for just 10 minutes. Alright guys, it's been 10 minutes and we let it cool down, of course. So now we're gonna take our cranberry mix and we're gonna put it into our graham cracker pie crust. Would you look at that color, you guys? Beautiful, beautiful. Anyway, guys, so now we're gonna just smooth it out. All right, guys, after smoothing it out, don't you see how beautiful it looks? So we're gonna go ahead and bake it at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. So see you later. All right, guys, ta-da! After 10 minutes in the oven, it's beautifully baked, but now you have to let it sit in the fridge for 2 days. So I'll come back to you guys when 2 days are over. Bye for now. Mwah.